Greetings, my fellow Virginians. My name is Al Mina, and I'm holding on to King Mark Warner's wallet. Let's see what's inside his wallet. Okay. All right. You ready for this? Bam! He's got $11,825,999.67 donated to his campaign just as of September of this year, 2025. Okay, folks, let's see how much was donated to my campaign. One, 2, 3, 25, 35, 36, 37. A whopping $3.37 as of fiscal year 2025, December 2025. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to this very, very hot campaign coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye.